Listed here are some common symmetric algorithms such as DES, 3DES, AES, IDEA, Blowfish, and the like. DES or Data Encryption Standard has a 64-bit key that is effectively 56 bits in strength. Common DES modes include electronic codebook, cipher blockchaining, which is most commonly used for general purpose encryption, cipher feedback, output feedback, counter mode, which is used in IPsec. Next is 3DES, which has a 112-bit effective key length and uses either 2 or 3 different smaller keys in one of several modes. The modes are EEE2 or 3, EDE2 or 3. AES is one of the most popular algorithms used in crypto systems nowadays. It was brought as a replacement for DES in 1997. It uses the Rijndael algorithm, supports key or block sizes of 128, 192 and 256 bits, uses 10 or 12 or 14 rounds as block size increases. Next is IDEA, which stands for International Data Encryption Algorithm. It operates on 64-bit blocks in 8 rounds with 128-bit key. It is considered to be stronger than DES and is used in PGP. Blowfish is a 64-bit block cipher with up to 448-bit key and 16 rounds, which was developed by Bruce Skinner. Now some common asymmetric algorithms are Diffie-Hellman. It was first widely known public key cryptography algorithm. It computes discrete algorithms over a finite field, provides means for secure key exchange over insecure channel. The second is RSA. It stands for inventors' name Rivest, Shamir and Adelman. It relies on difficulty of finding prime factorization of large numbers. The third is El-Gamal. El-Gamal is based on Diffie-Hellman method of computing discrete logarithms. It can also be used for message confidentiality and digital signature services. The fourth is elliptic curve cryptography, in short ECC. ECC relies on computing discrete algorithms over elliptic curve group. Due to difficulty of problem, key sizes can be much smaller than RSA and still retain the same strength. Along with the aforementioned algorithms, certain hashing algorithms are also commonly used nowadays. Some of them are MD5, SHA1, HAVAL, and RIPE MD160. MD5 is based on MD4 and was created to address vulnerabilities found in MD4. MD5 generates 128-bit hash values over 512-bit blocks in 4 rounds of 16 steps each. SHA1 also operates on 512-bit blocks but produces a 160-bit hash value in 4 rounds of 20 steps each. MD5 is widely used for file integrity checking, while SHA has its uses in digital signatures. Public key infrastructure deals with various aspects that an IT professional has to take into account while implementing a public key-based cryptographic system. All the components needed to enable secure communication here are policies and procedures, keys and algorithms, software and data formats. One of the major functions that a PKI is supposed to achieve is the assurance of identity to users. In addition, it provides key management features which include issuance, revocation, recovery, distribution, and history. Some of the essential PKI components include digital certificates, certificate authorities, registration authorities, and certification revocation list or CRL digital certificates adhere to the X509 certificate standard format. CRLs are maintained by the CA and list all certificates that have been revoked. Clients are supposed to check if a certificate has been revoked before using it, but this is not always the case in practice. To issue proper chain of trust, the verification of root CAs is done through cross certificates. As is obvious from the figure, the root CA of a forest is verified and validated by an adjacent root CA, thus promoting trust among adjacent domains in the organization. With several other facets, cross-certification offers to stamp the domain controllers according to trust models issued for the particular environment.